What's up, y'all, and welcome back. It's Olivia with your 1996 Mazda Miata build. So we kind of took a little bit of a break just because we have a lot that's currently going on, but to give y'all an update on the Miata. So the engine is pretty much, I'd say, about 90% done. Over the last week, we were able to put the alternator on. We resealed pretty much everything. Tonight, though, we are going to be doing the last big piece, which is going to be the oil pan. We're actually about to head into Lowe's because we need one more part, which hopefully it's the final part that we need to be able to put the engine in tomorrow. So tomorrow we should be able to fully put it all together and see if it runs. So let's go to Lowe's. So we are heading to Lowe's to pick up, what are we picking up?
We have to get a cap for the EGR portion on the exhaust manifold.
We're getting that. Don't know how I would be able to figure this out without this guy's help, that's for sure. We also got the exhaust back. We took it to the exhaust shop so that way they could weld a couple of the holes that were in it. So tomorrow, hopefully, we're going to be also putting that back into the Miata. I don't know if y'all remember what the last alternator looked like, but this is the new one. Shiny and pretty versus the old one. Much better. And then also old AC compressor and the new AC compressor. We're gonna have AC. We also did an EGR delete. Both of these right here, one goes to the valve and then one goes to the actual exhaust. We just completely deleted it. Finally looks so much cleaner, and it's officially put all back together. Now we get to load it up and put it in the Miata now. Moments before I bust my butt. So the engine is officially out of the garage and we are loading it up. All right, she's loaded. We made the neighbors mad, but on to putting her inside the Miata.